Here, don't mind, I'll fix the light in a minute. There you go. I got Merciless and Stealth Chopper. My VSAT, well, I thought I shot this guy, but apparently I didn't. That's gay. I was using a pistol and a sniper, executioner, and a sniper. Like 25 and 5, I think. I don't know. I'll have to see. By the way, I think I joined late. Nope, I'm here. Man, it takes me a while to just find my classes. It's annoying. Don't mind that. That is... I dropped my controller. Alright. I saw wallbang him. There we go. He deserves that. So I'll take my pistol, and I think I killed somebody right here. And I just got triple teamed. I took one out, but the other one got me. Now I'll see if I can wallbang someone. Apparently, it missed. I think it's very stupid. And then I got headshotted by a... Well, I don't really know. Them Tarzan shit. See, I thought he was an... Okay, I didn't kill him because I wanted to get my headshot, but I guess I didn't get it. Yes, I got him. See, I tried to get a headshot, but oh well. I did get a headshot, actually. Found this guy camping. It's amazing how people can use this. See, I hard scope right there. I'm sorry, guys, but sometimes I can quick scope, sometimes I hard scope. And this is care package. I got his stealth chopper. It was funny. I was like, yeah, I'm getting this. And there's the stealth chopper. If I didn't get that, then we would have been doomed. Alright, so pretty much I just camp up here mostly. Well, I died a couple times. I'll show you my score in a minute. My score is 7-2. Like IUAV. Siege Master's Bay. Oh. See. I smacked him. So my stealth chopper goes off because I put it in a spawn. I could have quick scoped that, but I chose the hard scope. I don't know why I actually hard scoped. Okay, soon on the next video, I'll be showing you guys my custom classes. See, look here, I go off of my sniper right here. Got my stealth chopper. One away from my VSAT. It's not Merciless. So you get that guy. I was like, screw it, I'm just gonna go and kill him. And I didn't know there was someone right there. So I was like, shoot, there's someone right there. I don't really cuss that much in my videos. Because, you know, the little kids can be watching. And some... Yeah, he got slapped for killing me. Okay, I get slapped up here too. Wait, never mind. See how I'm spawning back here? I should have stayed my... Sorry for that glare. I should have stayed my stealth chopper for less. But you know what? Who cares? I get that one. I get that one. Get that one. Get that one. But I think the other one gets me. Nope, I didn't see him. He's like behind me though. I didn't know that. UAV. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Guys, if you enjoyed, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys later. Peace.